Common multiples. Whenever you write the multiples of a certain number, you might find that it is common. There are some of those numbers, rather, some of those multiples that are common with the multiples of another number. Let's take examples. Example. Find the common multiples of 3, 5, and 10 to the first 10 multiples. Now, in this, we are to first write out the first 10 multiples of these numbers 3, 5, and 10. And then from those 10 multiples, we find the ones that are in common. So let's do that. Solution. First step is to write the first 10 multiples of each of these numbers. So we have 3, 5, and 10. The common multiples will be gotten when we first write out the first 10. So for 3, we have 3 times 1, 3, times 2, 6. You can get the others by just adding 3 to what you have. So adding 3 to 6, we get 9, then 12, then 15, 18, 21. Now we've gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 3 more to go. 24, 27, and 30. And then the first 10 multiples of 5 would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Now to 10. For 10 we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. What we have done now is to list out the first 10 multiples of the numbers 3, 5, and 10. Now let's find the multiples that are in common. Common multiples. If you observe here, you will see that some of these numbers show up on all cases. Like when we look at multiples of 3, you will find the number 15 here as well as 15 here, but it does not appear amongst the multiples of 10. If you check continuously, you will still find some that they have in common. But the one that is in common for the 3 of them in total is the number 30. As it appears in 3, 30 appears in 5, and 30 appears in the multiples of 10. So the common multiple, of 3, 5, and 10 is 30. You can try this by listing the first 10 multiples of 3 numbers and see if they have any in common. Thank you.